All right, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, let's fight.
Here we go. Let's see who maintains their spot at the top here. Loki speeding towards out of FingerTech, but getting themselves pinned slightly against the wall there.
I think that FingerTech Kit has that almost roundish frame, and that's going to be the advantage of Loki to run over Totally Not a FingerTech Kit. And you can see him right now using those spears to pin down Totally Not a FingerTech Kit.
We'll see if Totally Not a FingerTech Kit can continue utilizing the advantage of those gigantic skateboard wheels of theirs.
So just notice that both teams had elected to keep the barricade up. So this is going to be a battle of just clash after clash in the arena. You can see right now, Loki putting themselves in position with those 2 spears, those 2 wedgelets, and try to keep Totally Not a FingerTech Kit in control of this. Loki's doing a great job driving so far.
Both parties confident in their ability to outdrive and outmaneuver their opponents here. We'll see who is able to eke out more points on those judges' scorecards, unless by some haphazard fluke one of them goes flying out of the arena.
I don't think that's going to happen. You never know, Brandon. Right now, it is Loki controlling the fight, pinning them against the wall, referees calling for the release, and just going from post to post here in this matchup.
FingerTech Kit spending a little bit more time than they're comfortable with over on top of Loki there.
It's so much harder to drive in 3S than it is 2S. So much
All right. Again, it is Loki just maintaining the control of the fight. Judges looking at that, absolutely. And then, again, with that low spear, that low wedgelet coming from Loki, it is making it difficult for Totally Not a FingerTech Kit to just try to get under there. Again, some great driving coming from Loki.
FingerTech Kit's going to have to look for some angles, maybe from behind or the sides, to grab an advantage here. Just like that, Loki spent a little bit of time up in the air. We're going to want to see more of that if we're rooting for FingerTech here.
Yeah, absolutely. FingerTech Kit is going to have to go around to the side, but again, Loki just putting them in position, and you notice that Loki is maintaining the inside of the arena. That's what's keeping Totally Not a FingerTech Kit on the outside, and that's a great strategy coming from Loki. Maintain that inside center part of the arena, and you can see now, again, Totally Not a FingerTech Kit is going to try to maintain that center, but once again, Loki pinning them down against the wall.
30 seconds left. We'll see who makes the best impression on the judges here. It's another pin against FingerTech Kit against the wall.
Yeah, this is just, again, pin after pin after pin. This looks great to the judges. We're going to have to see really quickly in the next few moments, Totally Not a FingerTech Kit start making some moves.
6, 5, 4.
FingerTech Kit making one last attempt, but it's a final pin to close out the match.
Yeah, that's going to do it here. What a great match. Again, I feel like it's going to be Loki. Again, those spears just pinning Totally Not a FingerTech Kit into the wall, and so that I think might be the advantage to Loki. Great match, though. Great driving coming again from Loki.
We'll wait on that final verdict from the judges. And that victory goes to make some noise for Loki.
Yeah, definitely Loki on that one.
I think that was a disadvantageous matchup.